Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will unbox and review the eMeet C970 web camera. When you open the box, you'll notice that it comes with a user manual and the camera itself. The eMeet C970 web camera is a wide-angled, beautifully designed and sleek web camera that works right out of the box. Its professional electronic privacy mode instantly turns it on and off with a gentle push of the webcam, while its wide-angle design allows you to include many friends in your live video chats. The C970 is equipped with two noise reduction microphones that filter out ambient noise, as well as a built-in autofocus feature that makes chat more fun and natural. All of these features combine to make the eMeet C970 a great video chat partner that's always ready to go. This webcam was very easy to set up, and the quality of the picture was excellent. I like the slow shutter speed, it does increase the quality of the video. The microphone is very good, as well. With autofocus function, C970 produces a better image quality when the camera zooms in on you. The C970 can be used with major video calling software, including Skype, Google Hangouts, and it is great for live streaming, conference calling and online teaching. The design of this webcam is compact and elegant, taking up very little desk space. It features a flexible tripod stand so you can choose where to place the webcam at your convenience. Overall, I'm very happy with this webcam. It's reasonably priced, and I would recommend it. It is appreciated that you have watched my video. Thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel if you find it interesting.